Lube is better than that for what it's for.
Mix a teeny tiny little bit of a serum or an oil into the concealer and then pat it under the eye. I promise you it will not crust or flake or get dry. Are you not going to comment on me sitting in front of you in a ball gown?
I was, but
Did I take your breath away?
Kelly, if you're not watching at home, is wearing a black floor-length gown. Her hair is very stylishly scraped back.
Slick and slick.
And a red lip. Are you off to the Met Gala tomorrow?
I'm just waiting for Anna to give me the call up and then I'm just ready to get on the plane to get there in time.
So Catherine asked, hello, lovely ladies. I've definitely used products in the past that haven't always conventionally been used for what they're intended, like blush with lippy or lippy as blush. I just wanted to know, have you guys ever discovered something new or a hack that we probably wouldn't think of with any of the products? Thanks, ladies. You make me smile every day.
Well, Catherine, first things first, are you listening to our Monday episodes? Because we have a brilliant beauty bite.
Yes, and oftentimes,
which is often a hack at the end of every Monday episode. Maybe she's not making it that far.
Yeah, she can't be listening because I literally try and use products for the way they're not intended, or I decant things because I love to decant. So
Leigh
I've
is
got
a scientist.
so many for this. Should we take turns?
That's a great idea.
Great. You go first.
Lip balm as a highlighter. You can use lip balm as many different things, but if my skin is like particularly dry in some sections and I didn't have anything else with me, I would just grab whatever lip balm, nothing with shimmy in it, but just like a plain lip balm.
Like a plain old lip balm.
And I would press it into the dry areas of my face and then I would put it on the high points of my face. So the cheekbones, maybe the bridge of the nose, the eyebrow bone. So anywhere that would naturally catch the light, I would pop it because then when the light catches it, it's going to just like glisten and make you look really healthy.
I had that too. I had just plain lip balm, or I have a pregnancy body care brand. We've got a nipple balm, but it's clear.
For everything.
Yeah. So I use cuticles, massaging, cheek glow, brow fix with a spoolie, sore nose post cold. That's you and I all winter. Flyaways. I put the tiniest bit on my fingertips and like warm it up, and then you just like kind of get your flyaways down. Yeah, crusty elbows. Maybe it's just me. Not crusty, but like.
No, no.
Dry. Yeah, I love a balm, but you already took that. A brown pencil. So let's say it's a brown eyeliner pencil. Maybe because I'm brunette, I can do more things with it, but I think most people can. I use it as a brow pencil.
I could almost use a black pencil at the moment. I left my
Well, that's it.
I left my brow tint on just a little bit too long.
Oh, did you know? They look good.
Oh,
you look very defined and regal.
Oh.
So a brown eyeliner, let's say it's a brown eyeliner. You don't want anything too bricky. If it's like a nice chocolate, still warm, but like a chocolate brown is great for that. If it's quite like a cold texture, not too gel, smudge it out to an eyeshadow. Lip liner. It's such a good lip liner. Like obviously don't just leave it like that because you'll look, you smudge it. You could probably even contour with it. They're phenomenal. I use them also to cover my roots sometimes. A brown eyeliner.
You are the true MacGyver though of
honestly,
beauty.
I just need to go to a desert
You
island.
need to change your title to Leigh Campbell, MacGyver of beauty.
Well, no one knows what MacGyver is because it was a show in the 80s. But anyway, it's worth watching. What have you got?
If your face is puffy in the morning, sometimes we've had too much salt, sometimes too much wine or whatnot. But if you look in the mirror and you go, whoa, bit of ice.
Yeah.
Listen, the doctors will say don't do this, but I'm saying you reach into the freezer, grab a little bit of ice and don't leave it on your skin, but just like run it all over.
Yeah. Or just hold it in your hand for a few seconds so it starts to get a bit watery because you just don't want that frosty edge.
Yes,
like
you don't want
ice burn.
frost on your face.
Oh,
but
I love it.
Just like the watery part, then run it all over and it's almost like your face, you literally just watch it go.
Yeah. Shrivels up like something that other people don't want to shrivel up in cold water. That's what ice does.
Sometimes we like it when our face does that.
Shampoo. I do this all the time, particularly if I'm in a hotel and I don't have things or you've just got, the hotel shampoo or your own. A shampoo surfactant, which is what cleans you, will clean your whole body, your whole family, anywhere. I have used the hotel shampoo to wash me undies and my little delicates hand wash. You can brushes. I was staying in a hotel with a girlfriend recently for 2 nights and we were having so much fun, but we didn't want to leave the room. So I just got her brushes and my brushes, washed our makeup brushes while we're just sitting there watching TV. The hotel shampoo will wash anything.
Yeah, it actually really will.
Yeah. And it's normally like an okay brand, like a nice brand, but they oftentimes
depending
create
on what hotel it is.
Yes, but they oftentimes create sort of diffusion lines whereby they're literally just cleaning things.
Or they put other products in.
Oh, I know, when they're bolted to the wall.
Yeah, I went to a gym once and they had Gerleek as the in-shower body wash and stuff. And I was
You know Jalique.
I know Jalique, and this ain't it.
Yeah.
This ain't
bless.
it.
Cosy lives, maybe you
No,
are
this
at
was
home.
a long time ago before Cosy Lips. I don't use the nice
Oh.
gym anymore. But
Body wash also can wash your hair at a pinch. Like, not forever, but if you're stuck somewhere,
as this is blonde, I'll tell you what.
you just go dirty.
No, it would look so grotty still.
What's your next one?
Okay. If you how sometimes every time you do your concealer under your eyes, it goes like crusty, or like if you've got a really dry under eye, you're probably going to really struggle with concealer under that area. Mix a teeny tiny little bit of a serum or an oil into the concealer and then pat it under the eye. I promise you it will not crust or flake or get dry.
Speaking of oil, that is my literal Swiss Army knife. I always have when I travel one of those little travel jojoba oils. I use it as my first cleanse to take off my makeup. I use it on my face as hydration. I use it to remove any eye makeup that I need with a Q-tip, body moisturizer, a tiny bit in your hair, as in 2 flyaways, a tiny bit for your dry ends. Like a all-purpose body oil or face oil will do everything. Slurp in the bath if you restock soon. Oil is oil.
The last one was I shave my face whenever I want my makeup to absolutely slap, because it just removes all of that peach fuzz that sits on my face that's kind of like a barrier for my makeup looking just its absolute best. And my makeup looks arguably so much better and different when I have a perfectly prepped.
Have you done that
primed.
today? Because you look like a seal. You look so smooth and beautiful.
I haven't. I think maybe your glasses just aren't.
Oh, I think I need to clean them.
Didn't you say that? Yeah, maybe clean them, because I actually don't if you look closely.
Honestly, I use everything for anything. The other week I was talking about how I use translucent powder for dry shampoo. I have used that under my arms. When you want to set, well, this was after a spray tan, but it can literally, I know. Weird, right? I'm very weird.
Not weird.
Translucent powder.
Amazing.
For your sweaty upper lip. You can use it for anything. You can use it to set like a cream eyeshadow if you want to. I have used mascara with an angled brush as an aligner. Just think of it as pigment like an artist.
The MacGyver of beauty.
Yeah. Might rename
we just
that.
need to.
Oh, I would love to hear other UBs as
Yeah, we
ones.
should start a thread in the Facebook
How
group.
could I forget also my best hack of all time, Lube. Lube is the best for
hair.
Yep, slick back look, because it keeps moving but it stays still. It doesn't go crunchy and doesn't not hold. Lube is better than that for what it's for.